Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to create this beautiful look just using Nykaa cosmetics products. This is a full makeup tutorial just using Nykaa makeup products. Nykaa has launched a lot of products this year and I have been loving some of the products. So I have included my favorites on this video as well. So I've used minimum products to create this beautiful glamorous wedding guest look. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Because there is no primer from Nykaa Cosmetics, I have already primed my face. And now starting off with the foundation. Today for the foundation I will be using this Nykaa Skin Genius liquid foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Sand. So for my concealer and my contour, I am going to use the Nykaa stick foundations. For concealer, I will be using the shade 02 and for my contouring, I will be using the shade 07. For setting my face, I am going to use this Nykaa Skin Genius Compact Powder and I'm in the shade Warm Honey. As I don't have the blusher palette by Nykaa, so I am going to use a lipstick for my blush and I am going to use this Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon in the shade Pink on Fleek. For my brows, I am going to use this Nykaa Brow Chica Wow eyebrow pencil and I am in the shade Coven Cocoa. Now for my eye makeup, I will be using this Nykaa Glamour Eyes eyeliner pencil in the shade Azure Charm 05. First I'm going to apply this close to my lash line. You don't need to be precise with this. Then with the pencil brush, I am going to just smoke it out. I'm also going to flick this out. Intensifying it. And I'm also going to apply this on my waterline. Now applying this Nykaa Black Magic liquid liner. So I applied some mascara and added some falsies. So now let's get started with the highlighter. So I have this beautiful highlighter palette by Nykaa, and this is in the shade Glitterati. I just love this highlighter. It has two shades, rose gold and a pure gold shade. So I'm going to mix both of the shade and apply as my highlighter. So I'm going to apply this all over the highest points of my face as well as on my inner corners and my brow bone. Now for my lipstick, I have so many options because I absolutely love Nykaa's Mattelicious lip crayons. I also like their liquid lipsticks. I have so many colors, so I'm very confused. I can go for Begum, Kudi, or I can go for a matte lipstick which will be next level nude. So let's go with Begum. I think it's a beautiful shade and this will definitely complement my eye makeup as well. So let's apply this. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we have crossed 13k subscribers. I am so happy. Thank you so much who have joined this year, and I love you all. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this, share this video with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you again on my next video with another beautiful video. So till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.